Day 19 of 100 Days of Code as I'm learning the Python programming language. Again, this video is to hold myself accountable and track my progress. So around day 4, I started working with data types. And when you're working with data types, Python actually does not like you to concatenate different data types, but there are other ways that you can merge data types together. So to check a data type, you would simply put type, and then let's say we're working with, let's set a variable here. Let's say we're working with the number 25. And if I wanted to check this data type, I would put that value within the type function, run it. Oh, I have to print it out. So let's print. And this tells me that the class is an integer. Okay. I can do the same if it's, let's say, class is a float, equals that. The class is a string. So on and so forth. So you can check the data type by using the type function. And then to print it out to the screen, you would just include the print function. So this comes in handy if you're working with, I'm going to set a variable pi to the value of pi. So let's go here. Grab the value of pi. And let's say I wanted to print data type of, I'm going to concatenate these to give you an example of what I'm referring to. And let's put the type in here. So you'll see this will return an error. And the reason being is because it lets you know that this is a type error. You can only concatenate strings, not floats. So when you're mixing a string and a float, Python doesn't like it. It's not interpreting it. So you can change that. You would do so you could do something like that. Actually, this right here would have to be changed also. So let's see if this works. So it accepts that. And this could actually stay the same. Oh. One, two, I think I need one more. So there you go. It tells you that the data type of pi is a float. So remember, floats have decimals. You could also change this by, so let me get rid of string here. If I wanted to, instead of concatenating, list each one out as a value. So each one is listed as a value. It's not concatenating it, and it'll return the same result. Those are some ways that you can correct your data types. You can also use the F string, which I showed in a previous video. But the different data types are built-in classes in Python. And so you can also create your own classes, which I will discuss in another video. But I just wanted to show you, whenever you get a type error, that there are ways that you can change your expression so it doesn't return a type error.